Growing up, we already know there's nowhere worse than Holyhead. We've nowhere to go, nothing to do, so we smoke weed, play Call of Duty, hang out in Kai's back garden, sitting on the fence, drinking beer and singing Beauty. So when the police show up, of course we run. Doesn't matter, we've done nothing really wrong. His dad's not home and we know Bailey next door's the one's been ratting us out, been on the phone, whinging about the young. Johnny's tattoos are bright in the station's lights, his death head grinning madly, the bomb's fuse sparking down his arm. I can hear fear behind the hatred of the coppers shouted, "You little shit," feel the terror powering my mother's full face slap. But I don't care, 'cause Kai's dad will back us up and we'll soon be going home, no matter what. In the dark, I watch the ferry lights count the trucks loaded one by one, the cars snaking slowly down, their red taillights blinking brighter just before they're swallowed whole. I dream of when I'll disappear, bundled up in some empty car, some cargo hold, keeping quiet by listing low and clear the many meanings of Johnny's tats. The grinning skull with dark top hat, telling Lucy he's a dead romantic, the frantic cartoon bomb warning, explosive anger quickly done, the falling cards and dancing dice, all the games he loves to play with his small son. Keeping quiet by remembering Kai, laughing and laughing as we ran, laughing so much he had to stop, to bend down, to hold his side and catch his life, before he found himself in some overstuffed red armchair, watching soft porn and clutching a beer, the mound of his stomach tightening his breath so that fear drives him to the kitchen for one more pill his doctor promised would fix the feeling of emptiness all this food and beer and second-hand sleazy sex was trying to fill. I watch the ferry boats leaving every night, dream of when I'm in the belly of their hold. No, I'll never come back to Johnny or Kai or anyone. If I ever get out of here, I'll be so long gone they'll scratch their heads if asked, keeping mum saying, "Yeah, we knew a Kirsty once. Didn't she get done?"